Hello, creative buddies! Today, get ready for a burst of joy as we draw a special square-shaped rainbow poppet toy. Are you excited? Grab your pencils and markers, and let's dive into the world of creativity. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Alright, little artists, let's start with a rough pencil sketch of our square-shaped rainbow poppet toy. Now, grab your black marker and let's bring our poppet to life. Draw a rectangle on your paper. This is the base of our square-shaped poppet. Add some depth by making our rectangle look 3D. Imagine it popping out from the page. Now, draw 6 horizontal lines to divide our square into 7 parts. In each row, let's draw 7 small circles. These are the satisfying pop bubbles of our toy. In a fun, cartoony style, draw the text poppet on the bottom of our square. Make it playful and bubbly. Now that our poppet is taking shape, let's make the outlines bold and sharp with our trusty black marker. This will make it stand out.
Wow!
Time to add some vibrant colors to our square-shaped rainbow poppet. Purple color. Indigo color. Blue color. Green color. Yellow color. Orange color. Red color. Now, let's color the text in the same rainbow order. Purple, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Fantastic job, little artists! Your square-shaped rainbow pop, it is now a colorful masterpiece. If you had a blast, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss our next delightful art adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.